Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another bell song tutorials. And for this tutorials I'm gonna teach you guys another bell song combo for beginners. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys with my CD bell song right here. So let's get started. And for the move gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, to begin, you're gonna start with the safe handle, and the first thing you do is double roll out. Double roll out gonna be like this. Instead, you open your bell song like this. Just continue the motion with a half twirl. That's gonna be like this. Double roll out, and to get the half twirl, prepare to put your index finger here on the safe handle and let it bounce like that. Bounce. That's double roll out continued with half twirl. Again, double roll out. Prepare to put your index finger here on the safe handle, let it bounce, and then after this position, prepare to turn your bell song like this and prepare to put your index finger here on the back of the safe handle. That's gonna give you and then prepare to do a thumb rollover. So that's gonna give you the dual side of the blade. So just continue the motion. After this, turn like this and thumb rollover, and you're gonna get into this position again from the beginning. Double roll out. Prepare to put your index finger here on the safe handle, let it bounce, turn your bell song, prepare to put your thumb here, and continue the motion and do vertical, just do thumb rollover like that. That you're gonna get into this position like this. And after this position, just continue. After this position, just do a thumb rollover. So to get into that, just swing your wrist like this, like that. After swing your wrist like this, release your forefinger, except your thumb right here, and release, and continue the motion. And you're gonna get a thumb rollover again. This position, turn, release, thumb rollover like that. Oh, again from the beginning. Double roll out, half twirl, thumb rollover. Get into this position. Turn your wrist, release your forefinger, then let it roll. Thumb rollover. Alright, that's gonna give you, after thumb rollover, that's gonna give you the bite handle. So to avoid that, just use the swing motion like this, like that, so you won't cut yourself. And after this position, just prepare to do a half twirl again. How to do that? Just prepare to put your index finger here on the safe handle, on the bite handle, and again let it bounce, going up and let it bounce like that, going up and going down. So that's gonna give you, again, that's gonna give you the sharp of the blade. And to avoid that, continue with a twist like this, like that. Again from the beginning, and double roll out, half twirl, thumb rollover, this position, thumb rollover again. That's gonna give you the bite right handle, and half twirl. Continue with the half twirl, going up and going down. Again, continue with a twist, like that. And after you do a twist, just continue with a vertical thumb rollover, like that. So that's gonna give you the safe handle. And for the last, just close your belsong, just like that. Close your belsong like this, and you're gonna grab the safe handle and the bite handle, and you're gonna end up your combo with and you're gonna end up on this open position like this. So again, from the beginning, the move gonna be like this. Alright, that's pretty much for tutorial today, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.